Today in this video, I'm going back to my African roots to have a taste of home. Most people think those of us in diaspora who are only stuck with just eating salad, smoothies, or sandwiches. Not at all. Our Nigerian culinary offers a variety of mouth-watering and delicious healthy options. Like this unripe plantain that I'm going to use for swallow. Yes, you heard me well. We swallow too. So I'm using the unripe plantain, and you see that I'm using it with the peels because the peels have amazing health benefits too. So I make functional food that can be as medicine. I know after today, you are not going to throw away your plantain peels. All you need to do is to wash it thoroughly before slicing to blend. Unripe plantain is not just a staple, it is a superfood. Packed with resistant starch, it's a boon for anyone looking for low-carb alternative. Just have a look as the pureed come out. So it's time to cook it. Turn it into the pot or frying pan. I'm using frying pan because I prefer that. And you start to make it. Make it on a low heat. Other benefits of unripe plantain is high fiber content ensures your digestion goes smoothly, preventing constipation. It's also rich in essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, iron. Unripe plantains support heart health, reduces cholesterol levels, and boosts your energy without spiking your blood sugar. So continue to make it until it is well formed. Now let's look at quickly the benefits of the peels. They are hidden gems. We usually discard them, but after today, I know you will hold to them. Plantain peels are a treasure trove of antioxidants. This powerful compound fights off free radicals, potentially reducing your risk of chronic diseases like cancer or heart disease. Also remember that the peels are high in fiber as well, which can make your gut flora, your gut bacteria happy. You can see that I swap my frying pan to this old one because it works better for me. Look at how it's non-stick and it just rolls it into shape for me. See how it turns out very lovely. Amazing. So it's time to enjoy. I'm going to eat it with correct egusi soup. Join me. So why miss out? Are you curious to learn more about transforming traditional food into health powerhouse? Then subscribe to my channel, Vibrant Plate Cuisine, for more tips on harnessing the natural benefits of our beloved foods. No matter where you are in the world, you can eat healthily. So let's keep our heritage alive without compromising on healthy living.